Well, here we have it, Baltimore Harbor. And Wave Rover is located just over there on the pontoon. It's quite a busy place and a big sailing school, and such an important harbor. We're just going to take a quick walk into town now.
I just been these.
Thank you very much. And that'll be seen by 40,000 people by summer. Well, Rovers, I'm here at this beautiful saltwater lake with my friend Sean. And Sean actually, well, he convinced me to pop into the water. Whoa. 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 It is a lovely way to wake up. Sean, why is this such a special place?
Well, we're here in Lough in Baltimore, and Alan set sail from Baltimore, and he ended up in Baltimore in Ireland. And I met him last night in a very famous pub called Bush's in Baltimore, and he was drinking some Murphy's and Beamish. So we decided to come to my favourite place in probably all of Ireland. It's called Lough. It's a freshwater lake. It floods with the seawater on high tide. There is a lot of different species of fish that are never found anywhere else in the world here, and it's a protected area, and it's my favourite place to come and swim every day, winter and summer, in my pair of shorts.
Every day. And how warm is the water?
You'd be looking from 7 degrees to about 11 degrees. It's super special.
This will wake you up.
Oh by God, it'll wake you up. And it's very good if you've had a few pints too many in Bush's in Baltimore the night before. There's nothing better to clear it than the water in Lough.
Oh, thanks very much for that.
It's a pleasure, Alan.
Yeah.
Lovely to meet you.
Bye now.
From Prince Edward Island, Canada, getting ready to leave Baltimore Harbour, Cork, not Baltimore, Maryland. Bon voyage.
Thank you, Charlie.
Bon voyage indeed.
Well, Rovers, we are anchored at the town of Schull. Now, it's not very far from the town of Baltimore, but totally different. And it was a great sail getting here. We had great wind. We for that last, well, probably second half of the sail, we were on a beam reach, making great time. Very enjoyable. So I'll be here probably for 4 or 5 days. I'm going to wait for a nice wind to come along to take me up to the town of Kinsale, which will be a good sized town, I hear, and very beautiful. Not that Baltimore or Schull are not beautiful. They absolutely look like they are. I'll be making a run ashore later to do a little sightseeing. Now, being at anchor, what a great night's sleep I had last night, because unlike being tied up at a floating dock or a pontoon as I was, you surge back and forth with the tides and the currents. There's the noise from the other boats, and just, I don't know, it's nice and quiet at anchor, and you really sort of get that restful sleep that I was after, and I just had the greatest sleep last night. So I just feel all energized again. And well, I'll be making I'll be doing some video editing while I'm here. I plan to be here for a few days. So on that note, thanks for watching, and forge your own adventure.